Hello, this is George Senda, the real, official, authentic, original, one and only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I have not been feeling well all day yesterday and all day today because of the damn sinus infection. So, I am going to try this again with the proper ingredients, but I did not realize that the thing of Cayenne pepper. Let me show you this thing. I thought this had a shaker top. Yeah, it doesn't, which is dumb. So when I opened it, a whole bunch of pepper came out of this. There's a recipe on the back here for firecracker burgers. I don't know if I can handle that. Has ground red pepper, black pepper, parsley, garlic, chopped onion, and a pound of ground beef. And then you grill it over medium flame for 10 minutes, and then you cook it through, and you make 4 burgers out of it. I don't know if that would be edible or not, or I could eat it. I don't think so. But when I dumped this is what happened. I spooned a lot of it out. Let's see if you can see this. But there's way too much pepper in that sucker. But I've tried running salt up my nose, running the packets up my nose, hot water, distilled water in the past, filtered water, everything. Nothing has worked. And I spent all day blowing my nose, coughing up crap, wheezing, and 2 rounds of antibiotics. And thank you, Lisa from Sheevan Muffin, etc. But I've tried the antibiotics. She said double the dose. Well, they only give you so much, and I've tried doubling the dose. That don't work either. I think this is either viral or bacteria or I don't know what, but it sure is resisting everything I've tried for 7 months. So, without any further ado, and I don't know how much is in here. I've got regular honey. I didn't have the money to buy. It's my old Riviera cup here. No ifs, ands, and buts. Topless review. Found this downstairs. It's tied to Old Vegas Riviera Hotel. So, it's the only reason I have it. I'm going to drink this. And I have a cup of milk in the bunny cup here. I watched a video with Dr. Oz where first they ate a piece of cayenne pepper, and both doctors, they had a guy from some hospital in Bayonne, New Jersey. He said he uses it to ward off infections because they get no days off in the emergency room. And they were dying from eating a little bit of cayenne pepper. Then they make a tea out of it. So I guess I've made a tea out of it without tea. And they didn't say how to make this, how much to put in. They just sort of had it there. And that's a little bit disturbing. So I don't know why you think they would give you an ingredient list on the screen or something. So without further ado, here goes. This is about half a cup of this stuff. So I don't know if I'm going to die from this or gag or throw up or whatever, but here goes nothing. I can't take it anymore. I'm going to ER on Tuesday, but I don't know what they'll do for me. So we will see if I can finish this and what the effects will be. You'll see it, quote unquote, live. Oh. Oh. Oh my God. Well, Dr. Oz lied to us, folks. He claimed when they took a sip. Oh. And he said milk helps. I say BS. Oh my God. I don't eat hot peppers. That is the hottest bunch of stuff I have drank. I put lemon in it. I put honey in it. I put the cayenne pepper and the apple cider vinegar in it. Ooh, that honey did not cut anything. I'm not putting sugar in it because that diluted the effect. So, here goes another sip. Okay, there's a trick. You let it fill up your mouth so it coats the mouth. And then it's not as bad as if it just hits your tongue and sits there for a minute. I'll drink some more milk. That helps. That's the key. Don't let it sit there and linger on your tongue. So sit there and say, hello, I'm Mr. Pepper, and I'm here to coat your tongue and make you feel like hell. Okay. Here goes the next sip. I have no idea how much to put in there. I should have measured this, but okay. Oh my God. All right. I'm going to finish this off. Here's what's left. And we will see. I got to go out and feed the cats. Oh, that's hitting my stomach. My stomach is objecting. All right. Luckily, I got a lot of milk. Okay. All right. That's it. I don't know how much I drank. Oh. I don't know if you can see my tongue, but it feels red. Oh. Oh. I'm awake. My teeth are awake. My mouth is awake. Oh, now I know how a dragon feels. Oh my God, my entire mouth is on fire. And I'm out of cough drops. I forgot to buy cough drops, which would help with this. All right, I'll let you know what happens later. I got yahoos out there making noise again. You know, I really hate this. I don't know where they learned to grow up, not disturb other people after dark. All right, this is George Senda, the semi-guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Man, it's hard to talk. Stay wet, warm, dry, or cool as the case may be. And I wish I had some root beer because, oh, that is making my chest do something. At least not going into my chest, but I can feel the burn. And root beer the other time when I tried it, it negated the effects of the vinegar. I don't know, maybe the sugar in the root beer. I don't know. All right. I'll let you know later on. Give it an hour or so if it's having any effects or by tomorrow. I don't know if I could drink. They say the videos I saw, and a lot of them are these robotic, stupid voices. All said, do this every day and it will help your sinus infection. I don't know if I can handle every day. Well, we'll try. It's 8:35 at night. Okay, way past kitty feeding time, but I've just been feeling too unwell to go out. Oh my God. All right, have a great night. I will keep you informed or talk to you in another video if if I have a voice left. This is George Senda. Bye-bye for now.